find the vertex of f of x equals, in parentheses, x plus 3 squared minus 1. And also sketch its graph. Okay. Now we know that for these, these are quadratic equations. Okay, there is a specific form here, right? We call it x minus h squared plus k. Okay, there's also an a in front. Okay, we're not going to deal with that one here, right? So actually, but we can talk about it, right? The a determines if this parabola opens up or down or not, right? So if a is positive, this opens up. And if a is a negative number, this is going to open down, like an upside down U, I guess we'll call it, right? So these values of h and k, right, this is actually the vertex of this parabola, right? So in this case, right here, we see a is equal to positive 1, right? I mean, it's an imaginary one. We don't see it there. So in this case, a is positive, so it's going to be a normal parabola like our U shape that we're used to. And in this case, what is the value of h and what is the value of k? Now you're going to be careful with the signs here, right? Okay. So this plus 3 tells us that h is equal to negative 3. Okay. And this k value, right, k is equal to negative 1. So the vertex of our parabola in this particular example is going to be negative 3, comma, negative 1. And we're going to open upwards. Okay. So now that we have that information, we can do a rough little sketch, right? We're not going to be like exactly perfect here, okay? But we know that our parabola, the vertex is located at negative 3, comma, negative 1. Okay? And also we know that we open upwards, okay? So we'll just draw a rough little sketch like this, okay? The key point is, where's your vertex and do you open up or down or not, okay? Now later on, you may be asked to, find a couple of these points, right? Plot points on the graph. But for now, as long as you know where the vertex is and if you open up or down or not, right, that's going to be the key.